Valentine's Day represents a great market for gold jewelry in the U.S., and now 54 jewelers, including most of the major chains, can promote that they are protecting Bristol Bay, Alaska from gold mining. It's part of a wider effort led by Earthworks to just say no to dirty gold. Only Bristol Bay is particularly special given the watershed and also that it serves as a vital fish and wildlife resource. Jewelers who have signed the Bristol Bay Protection Pledge this year also endorsed the golden rules of the No Dirty Gold campaign, which calls on mining companies to enforce strict environmental and social standards at all gold mining locations. Be sure to watch for important trade figures coming out this week, such as financial results from Blue Nile and De Beers, along with important diamond stats from the United States for all of 2010. We'll have these stories on diamonds.net as they break. Meanwhile, in planning for your online growth strategy this year, be sure to check Comscore's white paper that was published Tuesday and detailed important trends established last year across the internet space. Now, here is a sample of just some of the highlights from this very detailed report. Paramount to all methods of marketing, if you are not playing in social media, your brand risks being forgotten. There are three important reasons for this. The first is purely competitive. Facebook alone delivered 1 trillion ad impressions last year, and that number will increase this year. Secondly, look at this ROI ad lift from retargeting after initial exposure from not just Facebook, but these are from all places online. The percent is enormous and further proves that you must engage ad services to manage your plays today in this highly sophisticated environment. And finally, 9 in 10, that is 90% of U.S. internet users checked into social media sites each month last year. The average time these folks spent on social media tells a greater story. Comscore found the average user spent 4.5 hours per month on these various sites, including Facebook, MySpace, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Facebook has not yet plateaued, but Google sites, which includes YouTube, may have plateaued after years of incredible growth for videos. Yahoo is down, Microsoft flat. AOL, of course, continues to drop as it becomes less relevant following its reign 10 years ago. Women are spending more time on social networking sites than men, but growth continues for both genders. If you are only relying on email campaigns, well, you should watch this, as social media outlets enable what is essentially safe, trouble-free, and spam-free email correspondence, and this is eroding standard old-fashioned email usage for those under 55 years of age. This trend will continue as it remains easier and cleaner to communicate through social media. Be sure to understand how mobile technology is driving new retail applications too, as this form of e-commerce becomes the new frontier to gain market share. Why is all of this important? Well, the answer is very clear. E-commerce spending rose 10% to almost $143 billion in the U.S. last year. And the really good news, I've saved this for last, came from watch and jewelry. That sector experienced sales growth of 11% in 2010, according to Comscore. Here is a look at how precious metals prices performed this past week. For all the latest industry news, be sure to check diamonds.net.